Today we are here with Alan. We just finished the kitchen project and we just wanted to ask him a couple of questions about the process and get a little bit of feedback. We'll show y'all some before pictures, but this had like a peninsula right here. It was kind of blocked off, dark cabinets and stuff. If there was anything that you would say that we could improve on, what would be one thing you'd say?
Probably just the timing of it, maybe. It took a little longer than I thought it was going to.
It did. It did. Yeah. What would you say is the best thing about it?
I think I like the backsplash the best.
Yeah. And that was one of the last things we
Right,
picked, so.
and it goes all the way up.
If somebody were to ask you about your kitchen, I mean, what would you, or if they wanted to remodel the kitchen,
Well, I would highly recommend your company because you did such a good job, and the whole process was fairly simple, and you helped us out along to kind of pick certain things out. Maybe certain things wouldn't fit, and so you gave us that expertise. So
good. Well, thank
I
you.
enjoyed it.
Thank you, Alan.
Sure.
It's been a pleasure.